Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a live withdrawal of about $335 from my Earning Club account to my Trust wallet. Okay, so I'll also be showing you guys how I'll be telling you guys about Earning Club and how you can perform tasks to earn free USDT every day. Okay, so Earning Club is an online platform where you get paid to perform tasks daily. Earning Club is an online platform that helps online sellers like Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, Etsy, and the likes to increase their ratings and review quantity. Do you understand? So to do this, that's to help these online sellers get a lot of reviews and sell quantity on their several platforms. They've partnered with Earning Club, and so Earning Club have been recruiting people like me and you to help them do these tasks. Simply, you generate these ratings by completing tasks daily on this platform. So depending on your level on the platform, that determines the amount of money you make daily from the platform. So you can see there's several levels on the platform. There's VIP 1 to VIP 5 levels, and depending on how much you recharge, that determines the VIP level will you be within. Okay, so basically the higher you recharge on any club, the higher you earn daily. So I know a lot of you will be like they want to test out this site first before knowing if they will invest in the platform. So that's very easy. Once you use the link in the description of this video to sign up, okay, you'll be able to get free $8, which you can use to do tax on the platform. That you can use to do tax in the trial area. Okay, that's the Amazon section of the platform for 5 days. So at the end of these 5 days, if you're doing performing tasks daily, you should have about $2 from that $8. So once the 5 days have elapsed, the $8 will expire and you have to make a recharge on the platform to continue earning. So that will help you, that 5 days will help you familiarize yourself with the platform, how to perform tasks, and how much you stand to make from the platform. Okay, so as you can see now, like I already said, there are about 5 VIP levels on the platform. VIP 1 is the eBay area, VIP 2 is Etsy, VIP 3 is Alibaba, VIP 4 is Tokopedia, and Rakuten is VIP 5. So once you make a deposit of anything between $10 to $49, you're eligible to perform tasks on VIP 1. That's VIP 1 tax. Once you deposit anything from $50 to $499, you can perform the Etsy tax. Okay, once you deposit anything from $500 to $2,999, you are eligible to perform the Alibaba tax, and so on and so forth. Okay, so basically the higher you recharge, the higher level you are. Okay, so once you recharge, you don't need to activate. Okay, there's no need for you to activate. Basically all you have to do is you recharge, and once you make a recharge on the platform, depending on how much you recharge, that determines the VIP levels you can earn from. So that's basically that. You can understand it more when you maybe register and start performing tax. Okay, and also um you can, okay, also I'll be dropping the Telegram group link in the description of the video. Okay, it's a Telegram group link I created for members that want to learn about Earning Club, or those that already signed up that have challenges or questions about how they can earn, how much they can earn. So if you're signed up or you want to sign up but you still need more information about the platform, you can join the link. That's the group link, Telegram group link, and ask your questions and we'll attend to you. Okay, so in this video I'll be withdrawing about $325 to my $335 to my Trust wallet. Okay, and but before I do that, let me show you guys quickly how you can recharge. Now I'll show you guys how you can perform tax on the platform before you can withdraw. So to recharge or to deposit on this platform, all you have to do is you click on where it says recharge here. Once you click on where it says recharge, you'll be able to select the amount you want to recharge. So the minimum amount you can recharge on this platform is $10. Okay, so if you were charging $10, all you have to do is you click on this. But personally, I recharged $50, and how I did that is you click on $50, you click on recharge. Once you do that, it'll bring you to where you continue from here. So once it brings you to this page, as you can see, the first thing you need to do is, as you can see, this is it. What you do is you copy this wallet address. Okay, you copy the wallet address and you send this amount of USDT to the wallet address. So once you've sent it successfully, and make sure you can make sure you can send it from any wallet that supports USDT, but make sure you're sending USDT on the Tron blockchain, that you're sending a TRC20 USDT. Okay, so once you send it, you click on submit, and you can contact the online customer service after a successful payment. Okay, if you're wondering how you can contact customer service, pretty easy. Just click on this icon that looks like a phone, click on it, and you just choose any of it, and you'll be redirected to customer care. Okay, so that's how you recharge. Then how do you perform tax after recharging on the platform? That's very easy. So depending on how much you recharged or how much is in your balance, you can see now I have a balance of $385, so that means I can perform the tax within this range. Okay, so click on Etsy. So I've already done or performed all my tax for the day. As you can see, 30 of 30. Okay, that is, you get to perform 30 tax daily on the platform. It's very easy, and it takes less than 5 minutes to complete all the tasks for the day. As you can see, today after completing all the tasks, and this was how much I had earned today, about $15.93. And yesterday, after completing yesterday's tasks, I earned $14.54. As you can see, it has increased. Okay, so basically that's what I'm saying. So the higher your balance, okay, on the platform, the higher you earn daily. So this increase was because previously after performing the task for years, my balance obviously increased. So because of that increase, my total earning for the day also increased. So now if I want to, maybe for tomorrow, if I want to perform the task for tomorrow, my total earning for tomorrow will also be different. So that's the good thing about this platform. The more you perform tasks, the higher your balance goes, the higher you earn daily from your balance. So how do you perform these tasks? Once you're here, what you have to do is you click on grabbing. Once you click on grabbing, you just wait for it to load. But mine will not work now because I've already completed all the tasks for the day. If you say I've already completed all my tasks for the day, but once you click on grabbing and it loads up, you'll see where it says purchase. You click on purchase, it loads again, and you click on okay. That's all you've completed the task. All you have to do is repeat that 29 more times. Okay, and you're done. Okay, so on the other, I've already made several videos about this platform. Okay, you can check out my channel to understand more about how the platform works, or simply join a Telegram group link I'll be dropping in the description of the video, so that you get more assistance on how you can earn or make the most of earning club. So now all what we've all been waiting for, how to withdraw from this platform. So you can withdraw 24/7 from this platform. You can withdraw anytime, even on public holidays, and the minimum withdrawal from this platform is about $10. Okay, so to withdraw, all you have to do is you click on where it says withdraw. Okay, click on withdraw, then you put in the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'll be withdrawing only $335 dollars. I know a lot of you be asking why won't I withdraw everything? Yes, I can withdraw everything if I want to, but I'm only withdrawing $335 from the platform so that I can still be able to perform the HC tax, because I need at least $50 to be eligible for that tax. Okay, so that's why I'm leaving $50 in the account so that I can still remain eligible to perform the HC tax. Okay, so once you put in the withdrawal amount, that amount you want to withdraw, then you put in your phone password. After putting in the phone password, then I click on withdraw. Okay, so that's very easy. As you can see, it says withdrawal successful, and my withdrawal request has been successfully placed. Okay, and my remaining available asset now is just $50. Okay, to check your withdrawals, you can go to where it says me. Once you're on me, you go to where it says withdrawal record. Okay, you click on withdrawal record, and as you can see, my withdrawal is in process. Okay, so once it's processed, it will say order successful, and I will receive this on my wallet. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, or if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button to subscribe, hit the bell icon beside it, turn on notification, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you immediately. Okay, and also feel free to join my Telegram channel, okay, where I drop updates on how you can make money from platforms like this, on airdrops and cryptocurrency. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.